Welcome to ClickMyProject. Today topic is DB Smart using Node.js and Solidity. Abstract of the project. DB Smart based app is web application that provides a digital platform to the user storing, accessing important document and records securely. The app uses MongoDB store the document, making them easily accessible and shareable. This eliminates the need physical document, reducing the paper usage and increasing the convenience of users. Use the electronic authentication system ensure the security of the stored documents. The user can sign up and access the app, which acts as a unique identifier. Once logged in, user can upload documents such as the birthday certificate, driving license, property document, and academic certificates among them. The primary goal of management optimize the storage and retrieval of the files, making it easier to user to find access information they need. The flow of the diagram is a user interface is a client side is a check for the information sign up the page to store the data in the database in the home to the register and login. I have the register the pages is put to have the details, some name, phone number, email ID and password. Then connect the MetaMask ID with not connected, not installed, make a register as the first in login pages. They some connector to MetaMask to connect the store the database to access your profile pages. When we log in the profile pages to add the document pages to enroll that. Then add the document when the category basis to store category basis to list out there so there then enrollment id to document id to enroll to have the documents. They have the editor and delete the option to given that the button will be the update will be some modified documents to update that. Then you have in to have the document will be the generate the id. It has the encryptor. It's a JSON JWT hash value will be generated. Then will be decrypted to download the documents. Flow of admin. Admin has the sign in only, the not sign up the database. Will be the admin dashboard. You have the user list. How many users are the this app application to you register the application, and then add the category and view the category. And the category has a add documents are there in the society to use that. So there are category only government you specify use agency only listed the category. Then we view the category to have the edit and delete the category. This permission to given the admin. They have the manage the data as a store the JSON data only. Store for the MongoDB. They have the encryptor for the hash value. Then use the JSON values. Then have the Solidity is function as them to encrypt the more value as a decoder the functions. Open VS Code to open the terminal. Then type the npm run dev. The terminal will processing. Then the server will connected and database will connected will show the messages. Then open the localhost 3000 in the web browser. Then interface will be open that ends. Then login a page, then profile page, then logout page. We have the new register, so sign up the name, Hani at gmail.com. Phone number, something else. Password, you occur the passwords only. Connect with the MetaMask to will pop up show the MetaMask ID. Then we will unlock the MetaMask. The MetaMask will open. They will be connected. Copy that ID. Then paste that. Register successfully. So go to sign. Login ID page will there. Show the email ID and password. To log in the page, interface to be shown that a direct to the profile pages. Shown that. Add a doc. Click the add document. Then we'll redirect the add your document pages. Select your category like a PAN card. PAN card has a number ERTDF3456R. When choose on your file, I choose a dummy file on the PAN card. When we uploaded the image, so upload the file, document added successfully. Then redirect to the home pages. List out the pages. List out the footer in the document name as a PAN card, document number, document ID number is generated like a hash value. Then view the document as a click do home page to direct to the browser pages. Then will time stop will be open Friday September. When we have upload the time and date is a menu to store the timestamps. When you have a not a for a correct number or correct file uploaded to update the listing successfully, then will be updated. When you have a downloaded file, you will have a download that, so open that. When you have a delete, to delete the button, delete it successfully. Next we will open the admin pages. Admin pages to pop up this set is a default username password ID, not as a register the admin pages. To log in the pages, user interface, that's for the this ones. You have seen the user counts. I'm added the honey at gmail.com, their phone number, their wallet address. When will we charge the honey to show the top up features. Honey. When you have searches, unsearch that. Then redirect the pages to add the category and category. So category as your mother photo. Category added successfully. When you have such a category listers, your mother photos, this that. When you have a delete, to delete the photos, when will be added the category this side to update this that side user interface that. Then category visuals shown there. That's all. Thank you.